In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show comments as balloons in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and seen comments tucked away or appearing in line with the text, it can be hard to read and even harder to review. Balloons make comments easier to spot and keep your main content clean. Let's set that up together so your comments show clearly on the right side of your document. Start by opening your Word document and heading to the Review tab along the top ribbon. This is the hub for all things related to editing, comments, and tracking changes, so we'll stay here for the entire setup. Next, open the Show Markup menu. This menu controls what types of annotations are visible. Make sure Comments is checked. If Comments isn't selected, Word will hide them, even if they exist in the document. Keeping this option on ensures your comments are included in what Word displays. Now, look for the Reviewing pane. This pane is a separate view that lists comments and changes in a sidebar or at the bottom, depending on your layout. Click Reviewing pane to make sure your setup isn't locked into showing comments only in that pane. We want to see comments as balloons in the margin, not exclusively in the listing panel, so confirming this avoids confusion. With that confirmed, go to Track Changes and choose Change Tracking Options. Depending on your version of Word, this might be labeled Track Changes Options, but it opens the same settings window. This is where Word decides how to display edits and comments. In the Options window, find the Balloons section. Choose Show Revisions in Balloons. This tells Word to display comments and certain tracked changes in balloons in the right margin rather than in line with the text. It's the key setting that gives you that clear, professional look. Click OK to apply your changes. Your comments will now appear as balloons on the right side of the document. This makes reviewing much more visual and keeps your main text uncluttered. If a comment is linked to a specific part of the text, you'll see a connector pointing from the margin balloon to the relevant line, making context easy to follow. If something doesn't look right, it's usually due to visibility filters or layout. Ensuring comments is checked in Show, Markup, and that you're not relying solely on the Reviewing pane typically resolves it. That's all you need to display comments as balloons and keep your reviewing process clear and efficient.